my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you're the making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the...
Hi, my name is Noni Madikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Guys, thank you so much for us reaching 10k subscribers. Thank you so much. I want to scream, but it's at night. It's 12 midnight and I'm very tired. Before we do anything, we are going to talk about yesterday's proceedings, when Umnisi was reading one of Longwe Twala's statements. I'm going to put a clip of that. It's a long clip. It's about 5 minutes and 39 seconds because I want you guys to listen to all of that. Guys, there is a part. Let's talk about the first part that I'm interested in. First part that I'm interested in this clip is that Umnisi reads this statement and reads a paragraph. The paragraph that he is reading, it is alluding to Longwe being shot. You will listen to this and tell me maybe English is not Englishing to me or for me. But guys, in my little bit of understanding that I have of English, it sounds like Longwe was shot. And then that confuses me now because before that, my understanding was Gininda saying last week or the previous week, that week, not the previous week, that week, the previous week or that week, Isingesi, guys. But he said something along the lines of there was no one else who was shot in that house except for Senzo. No one else suffered a wound except for Senzo, who suffered a fatal wound. So if Longwe is gonna write a statement that is making one assume, I'm assuming that English says that Longwe was shot by those guys. Maybe you can help me when it comes to that. What did you hear when Umnisi was reading there? What is your take on that part? The second part is the judge asking Gininda if he has ever confirmed or sat with Longwe to confirm his statements that he wrote. He says never, ever. He has never sat with Longwe and confirmed his statements. You are an IO. You are investigating a case, a very serious crime, a high-profile case. You do not sit down with the people? Does that even make sense? Okay, fine. Now you inherited the case from other people that came before you. Now it's given to you to be the one that is leading the investigation. You wanna tell me that you are not going to sit with everyone who was involved in whichever way? No, Manuki Ninda, guys. No. Something's very off here. But I want you guys to listen to those. He says he has never, to Kelly Kumalo, to Longwetwala, to Makumalo, he has never touched their statements. He never looked at them like that. He never confirmed anything. Then if that is the case, what are these statements doing here under his case? Because right now, case 636 is his case. So what are they doing here? Same goes with the so-called confessions. I choose number 1. If Mukhola and him now, they said that they are misleading. So if they are misleading, why are they becoming part of everything? Why are they part of the case? Do you guys see the nonsense that we have to deal with every day in this courtroom? Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to that? Because I found that very weird. That English there on Longwe's part, where he says, I did not realize that, or I was not sure if they were going to shoot me. I didn't realize. What is he saying there? Just tell me that English. What is your understanding of that, guys? Let's talk with comment section. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
2 is the one that is appearing as a witness number 3 in the list of witnesses in terms of section 144, 3A of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. Now, in the course of disclosure when we're preparing for this trial, this is what the state gave us. And I'm going to start with A113. I'll come back to the others. Now, like I did with Ms. Makumado, the senior, I will not go through the statement with regard to what was happening in their house, whether they were eating, how they were seated, and stuff like that. No, we're not concerned about that for now. You see, all that we're concerned about is what this trial is about, the identity of the perpetrators. I'm going to limit my approach in terms of this statement to that. And on paragraph 5, this is what it says in A113. In paragraph 5, this is what it says. He says, they all started cracking jokes and we all laughed. Just as Kelly was about to tell the joke, I noticed the two black guys, one tall, light in complexion, and the other one with dreadlocks was short and dark in complexion. He was wearing a khaki jacket. The first guy went towards Kelly, with the shorter one following him. The one with the dreadlocks cocked or breached the firearm and demanded the cell phones and money in isiZulu. Then there was a struggle between Kelly and the other guy on the door to open. I stood up and tried to rush for the guy with the firearm, and not knowing that he will shoot me, and I got a chance to escape through the kitchen door. That is paragraph number 5. Now, the gist, my question, or the gist of my approach is his description of the guy who had a firearm, which the state is telling this court that it is accused number 3. Let us go to his description. He says, I noticed the two black guys, one tall, light in complexion, and the other one with dreadlocks was short and dark in complexion. He was wearing a khaki jacket. Let us just pause there.
Ayasibheke lapha incazelo lana umuntu okuthiwa wesiphethe isibhangu wathiwa kangena abantu ababili omunye oqala ke kwaumuntu omude okhanyayo owesibili kuthiwa umuntu kwawanama dreadlocks wemfishane futhi ke ensundu yena.
The photo is just disappearing on the screen. I don't know. Thank you.
My Lord, I'm not sure whether I'm expected to speculate. I've indicated, my Lord, that when we engaged with Mr. Twala, Longwe Twala, there was no understanding that any of these statements, he was not according himself with any of these statements. So I do not know really how to assist in what has been put to me, because I'm not the author of these statements. I was not there when they were taken. I only came in at the later stage. The only thing that I can say, if now questions are put to me, I'm really going to speculate and identify because I was not there. When we met him, and I've even took it further, my Lord, that the last meeting we had with him, it was with the state's advocate, both advocates that are here for the state. And it was the same situation where he could not attach himself to any of the statements. Now, how it's a difficult situation. I don't know how to assist in responding to this question, my Lord.
Thank you.
Understanding. So you did not affirm any of the statements?
No, I did not, my Lord.
You didn't make Longwe tell you his version?
Yes.
And thereafter administer the oath to
Yes.
Longwe in each of the statements?
In all the statements.
Never, in all
Not
the statements.
ever.
A1, 333, 56, etc.
All of them,
Never.
my Lord. I've never.
Okay.
It's the same with Miss Gladys Kumalo as well. I didn't affirm any of her statements. It's the same position. Same with Kelly Kumalo, none of them were affirmed by me. Same with Zandi Kumalo, none of them were affirmed by me.
The oxygen I need to survive.